If you are using your computer running on Windows, then you must go to your computer keyboard and you can see this is the number lock key. So you must press this number lock. Now we have enabled the num lock. Now you can see that on your space bar left side and right side there you can see alt key. You must press any of this alt key. I am going to press this alt key on my left side. So I press this alt key. I am not removing my finger from this alt key. At the same time I am typing in this section 10046. After typing 10046 I can simply release my finger from this alt key. So you can see that we have created a petal flower with alternating black and white, and to change the color to red and white you must simply select this one. So after selecting you can simply change the color from here. To choose the red color you can choose the red color. So now you can see that it become red and white. So we have created this in Microsoft Word, MS Office Word. We have created this one. For more videos you can subscribe Engineer Cell Online. Thank you.